The first question, the exercise is related to a chapter square root and square root. That the first question, what could the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following number? Okay, they given the four question is it is the square and you find the unit digit, your ones digit of square. So first you write the table, the square, that the first is a number that square and last is square root. Okay, make a table and according to table you write the answer of given number. That the first number is 1. Okay, 1 is a square is 1. This the square is root of 1 is a 2 square is 4 and root of 2. It's mean the square root of 4 is 2. According to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last is a 10. That 3 square is 3 3 is a, that all number will be square form. You write, okay, 3 3 is a 9, 4 4 is a 16, 5 5 is a 25, 6 6 is a 36, 7 7 is a 49, 8 8 is a 64, 9 9 is a 81 and 100. Okay, and the square root of 9 is root of 3. Square root of 4 is equal to 2 is 1 and square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 36 is 6 and square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 64 is equal to 8 and square root of 81 is equal to 9 and square root of 100 is equal to 10. Okay, it's mean the given number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and the square of the numbers will be 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 and 64. Okay, and the square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 36 is 6 and square root of 49 is 7 and square root of 64 is 8 and square root of 81 is 9 and square root of 100 is 10. According to this table you directly see your answer will come that, okay, that who could the possible ones digit. Ones digit means a first digit, okay, that will left right hand side. That suppose here is come to an example, this is the 1. Okay, the last digit is 1, your ones digit of given square. This is the fourth question is given the square number and you find the square root. Okay, you find the square root, you find the square root and now see that the square number is 1. Where is the square number 1? This is the square number 1 and this the unit digit is 1. Okay, and the square root is 1 and it is 9. The unit ones digit is 1 and 9 because the square digit is unit digit is 1 and here 1, that the square root is 1 and square root of 9. Okay, now second question is the unit digit is 6. If the unit digit is 6, you find first will be square table, in unit digit is only one time of 6 and then the square root is only 6. So that right is ones digit is 6. Okay, third question is unit digit is given as the 1. Okay, then again will be 1 here and 81, then last unit digit is 1, so that the square root is 1 and 9. The ones digit is 1 and 9. Okay, and last is 6, last digit is 5. So you come there the only one digit will be square in 5, the square root is 5, so that answer is 5. Okay, without any calculation you find the, according to this table you find the unit digit of given number. Okay, now second question is without doing any calculation. Again will question, without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect square. Not perfect square, this is the important terms of not perfect square. It is means the 4 questions are given, you find the which number is not perfect square. That the number is not perfect square is the unit digit is not come to this form. Okay, so first is a 3, that 3, this is the perfect square 3. Okay, then the 3 is come for 9, that the answer is yes, no, sorry, 153 is here, square root digit is not come to, the unit digit is 3. Okay, that 1, 3, 9, 16, 5, 16, this is the perfect square. Okay, not perfect square root, this is the perfect square. To search this square table, and 153 is 3 is not a unit digit, it is a not a perfect square. Okay, so this is the answer is, you write no perfect square is, first is 153. Okay, now search second, and 275, this is the 75, is it 275? Okay, and 48, he has not come to 8, that will be 408, and 441 will come the 4. Okay, so they only 441 is perfect square number. Question number 3rd is find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repetition, a repeated subtraction method. In repeated subtraction method, you continue, odd number will be repeat, increasing odd number will be subtract, the find the result, again you subtract, then the first example will be given, the number is 100, so I write the 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. Again number is 99 minus 3 is equal to 96. Okay, then 96 minus 5 is equal to 91. Okay, then 91 minus 7 is equal to 91 minus 7 is equal to 84. Okay, then 84 minus 9 is equal to 75. Okay, now 75 minus 11 is equal to 64, and 64 minus 13 is equal to is 51. 51 minus 15 is equal to 36. Okay, and 36 minus next number is 15 after 17 is equal to 19, and 19 minus 19 is equal to 0. Here to come to 0, the finish this subtraction method and count the step. It means that the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There is the 10 step. It means the square root of 100 is equal to 10. It means root of 100 is equal to 10. That the answer is Okay. Now 169. Next is 169. Repeat the number is 169 minus 1 is equal to 168. The 168. Then we repeat 168 minus 3 is equal to 165. Okay. And 165. Next number is 5 is equal to 160. This is the second. Okay. Clear? And 160 minus 7 is equal to 160 minus 7 is equal to 153. 153 minus 9 is equal to 144. 144 minus 11 is equal to 133. That 133 minus 13 is equal to 120. That is 120 is minus 15 is equal to 105. Again 105 minus 17 is equal to 88. And 88 minus 19 is equal to 69. Okay. And 69 minus after 19 is 21. 21 is 48. 48 minus 23 is equal to 25. And 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. It means you complete the subtraction method and you count the step. Count the step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. It means 13 is step that the answer is your 0. You write the answer is root of 169. Root of 169 is equal to how many steps? 13. It means square root of 169 is 13. It means your answer is 13. Okay. This question, find the square root of the following number by prime factorization method. Prime factor method is already you read in 7th class, and prime factor method is use only prime number. You factorize in given number by using only prime number. That is the first question is 729. Okay. Find the square root of by the prime factor method. So their simple method will be 729 and divide the first number is this is 9. Okay, the 9 is divided by the 3, that the 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6 and 1 3 4 is 12 and 3 3 is 9. Okay, again will be 3 8 is 24 and 3 1 is 3, again 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, so 3 2 is 6 will be density, and 3 7 is 21, again 3 9 is 27, that 3 add the 3 and this 3 1 is 3. That is the complete the factorization. Then find the factor method. You write 729 is equal to, write the factor 3 multiply 3 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that 3 into 3 into 3 and into 3 6 times. Okay, and because you find the square root is to make a pair of two numbers, same numbers. This is the pair. Okay, and write 3 into 3 into 3, the first pair number, the second pair number, this is the 3 pair number. So this is the 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. It means the square root, you write this shape, that square root of 729 is 27. Okay, this is the method of prime factor method. Okay, now next question, second question is 400. 400. Okay, write the 400. 0 will be odd even number, you divide by the 2, 2 2s are 4, 00, again 2, 2 1s are 200, again 2, 2 5s are 10, and 0, 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10, then again this is a 5 divided by 5, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, and write the 400 under root 400 will be write the 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5, and inside of the square root, here we inside of the square root you write, and after you pair, choose the pair, you write the square root, then one pair, second pair, third pair, means 2 multiply and 5, that is the 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So this is the, it's mean the square root of 400 is equal to 20. Okay, clear? Now third number is given that 1764. You find 1764, find the prime factor method, find the factor by the prime factor method is first will be divided by 2. Okay, that is the 8 8 2, again 2 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Okay, here come to 1 is not divided by 2, is a 3 to apply, because you see that the 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 5 also prime number, here is a 2 prime number, then next will be 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, the 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21, then 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are 27, then next number is 49 will be not divided by 5, so here next prime number is 7, is 7 7s are 49. Okay, that the one time you write 1764 root of, because you find the square root, so write then in square root sign, and factor is 3 into 7 into 7. Okay, now match the pair, that the first pair, second pair and third pair, that write the 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, that multiply 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21, yes, 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. It's mean the square root of 1764 is 42. Now question number 4. In this question number 4 is 7744. Okay, find the square root of 774 prime factor method, 7744. Okay, there the last digit is 2, 4, they divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, then 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2, carry na 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6 and carry 2 6s are 12, again 2 9s are 2, 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, again 2 2 4 जा 8, okay, they 2 4 जा 8 carry and 2 8 जा 16, 2 4 जा 8. Next again 2 2 जा 4, 2 4 जा 8, 2 4 जा 2, again 2 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, okay. Then 1 2 and 1, the sum of 1 2 1 is 4. 4 is not divided by 3, that means its number is not a divided by 3. The last digit is 1. One digit is divided by 1 and 9. The 1 is 9, is 9 will be net 11. The number is 11. 11 is a also prime number. 11 1 ja 11, in 11 1 ja 1, in 11 11 is only 1. So this is the finish the prime factor method, and you write the factor of the root 774 is equal to root of how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. There will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the 6 time, and multiply 11 is 2 times. Okay, that the pair is first pair, second pair, and this only that right is 2 and into 1. They write one time by mistake 11. That write the 2 into 2 into 2 because 3 pair and into 1. Then multiply 11 2 ja 22. Okay, 22 2 ja 44, and 44 2 ja 88. So that the square root of 7744 is a 88. Then the next number is the fifth question. The number is 9604, means 9604, and same method will be apply. Is 9604, first number last digit is 4. 4 will be even number, they will be divided by 2. 2 4 ja 8 and 1 carry, 2 8 ja 16, 0 and 2. Okay, and again will be 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8 and 0 2 1 ja 2. Okay, and here second prime number is 3, but 2 4 and 1 is sum of this digit, all digit is 7. Okay, and 7 is not divided by 3. So the next number is 5. 5 is a prime number. Next they will last digit is 1, they will not divided by 5. Next number is 7. So that is a 7. 7 3 ja 7 3 ja 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28. So 3 times, and carry for the it is 3. So that is the 4 times 28, and again 3 is 21. Then the 7 1 7 4 ja 28, and 7 4 there 6 carry, here 6 carry, 7 9 7, 7 is the 7 49, 7 times the 1 the 1. Okay, so there 2 is 2 times and 7 is 4 times. You will write and 9064 and under root, it's called the under root, and that 2 into 7 is 4 times, right? 7 is 4 times. Okay, they write one pair, second pair and third pair, that the 2 7 and 7. So 7 7 ja 49, and 49 multiply 2 is a 98. It's mean the square root of 9464 is a square root of 98. And last is next is question number 6. Next is question number 6 is number is next number is 946, in next number is 9216. Okay, and prime factor method you apply. 9216 6. First will be divided by 2 because last unit digit is 6. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 8 and 2 6 are 12. Okay, and 1 is not going to divided by 2 is 0 in 8 time. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 4s are 8. Next will be 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 here is a 5, 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Again will be 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are, okay, and 6 means 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 2, okay, then 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Then be 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Next 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Again 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again 2, 2 9s are 18. They divided by 9 will divided by 3 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, till the finish you write the root of 9216 is equal to root of how many times of 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So they will 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. They 2 2, okay, into 2. Next line will understand 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here we will print 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 2 times 3. Make a pair, first pair, second, third, fourth, fifth and 3 3 pair. To write the answer is 2 into, here to write answer root of 7216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, and multiply by the 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and 32 multiply 3 is 96. It's mean the square root of 7216 is 96. And next 4 question you have try. It is the homework. That means question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It will be homework. You try. If any problem you ask to me. Peace.